Hello guys, good morning. So anyway, today is June 14 and it's currently 4:56 a.m. and it's a Saturday. Meron kaming pupuntahan dun sa north, pero nauna na yung family ko guys. Din kami kasama ko yung boyfriend ko, so we are going to the north also. So first is pupunta kami sa bahay auntie ko, and then right after, before 2, yung check-in namin sa Dorhan. Anyway, I will be vlogging this whole trip. See you in a while kasi aalis na ako maya-maya. Hi guys! Love! It's 11:15 guys and we are going to our lolo's house. Pero yung katabi niya is Dorhan na guys. Dito kami before, like pumupunta every summer. So ngayon bibisitahin muna namin and then pupunta kami sa Dorhan. Dito sila guys. Diba?
Private trabaho ko eh. Kuan, may tao.
Guys, so update, it's currently 2:17 and then as you can see guys, naligo na kami. Then we're gonna do my makeup and then we are going to prepare for the sunset and dinner for later. But anyway guys, I'll see you in a while kasi maliligo muna ako. Room tour tayo guys. So this is the door and when you go inside, on your left side we have the mirror and then the cabinet, and then we have one single bed, I think queen size to. Yung aircon. This is the CR guys. Sobrang simple lang. Guys, pupunta ako sa room ng boyfriend ko. Ayaw kasi ng room niya guys. So we are going to go there para i-room rates po siya. Dito yung room niya guys. Itong first.
What?
So ito yung room niya guys. Yung bed. Then yung aircon, mirror, and then yung gamit niya. Yung CR niya guys, same din sa amin guys. Sobrang hina ng tubig. Pupuntahan muna namin yung mom namin guys. So guys, pupunta ako sa room ng boyfriend ko kasi magla-live. Tignan niyo guys, sobrang ganda. And nandun yung mom ko. So guys, tapos na akong mag-makeup pero tignan nyo guys, sobrang clumsy. So nalagyan ng skin tint yung damit ko. Beige pa naman. I'm going to take some sunset pictures. So, sobrang ganda na outfit ko guys. This is from Shein guys. And dog skirt lang din ako. Hello guys! Update! Sobrang sunog ng face! It's already 8:46 guys, and ngayon pa lang kami kakain ng dinner. Ito yung foods namin guys, and then meron pang sisig na 2. So, kakain muna kami guys. Guys, we are going to his room. Kasi mag-turn.
Pabalik ka. Ana oh, kabaw na ko para mag-date. Sige ra kag sa usa ka side.
Guys, it's currently 12:10 p.m. and we are here at the gazebo because we are going to eat lunch and then go home.
Naluya lang langoy diri.
Guys, we're going home.
Guys, you know what? It's very annoying kasi ngayon lang yung naging high tide and may hangin. Kahapon, the dagat is so calm. Like the bird.
Then very humid. Bye guys. Uuwi na kami. Magwo-work na tomorrow. Uuwi na kami guys. And i-end ko na yung vlog ko for today. Kasi wala na kaming gagawin. I'll see you guys in my next vlogs. Bye-bye!